Hey guys, it's Catherine. Welcome back to our channel. Today's video is an open invite to our Sparkle and Shine Summer Challenge 2020. Now the host of the challenge is Tammy from Me, Myself, and DIYing It. And Tammy has two co-hosts, Sule from MystyleMycolours and myself, Catherine from At Home with Catherine B. Now guys, this challenge is for all of you bling girls and guys at heart. You'll need to create a space in your home that's totally glammed out. Now you don't have to show the process from start to finish, but you will need to show us a before and after side by side of the space. Now the rules are you must be subscribed to the host and co-host channels. You must mention both host and co-host in the video and add their channel link in your description box along with the playlist. You must title your video Sparkle and Shine Summer 2020. Use the hashtag Sparkle and Shine Summer 2020 and add your video to the playlist. Now the upload date is July 24th, 2020 at 12 noon, guys, which is my birthday. And also, last but not least, you must have some sparkly good time summer fun. All right guys, until the next video, take care. Bye bye.